What's up, friends? This is Arthur. Welcome to my channel again. And today I'm gonna show you how to record songs by a karaoke microphone. And I just wanna give you the answer at the beginning. And the answer is what the menu tells us. But how is the recording effect? Stay to the end, then you will know it. How to record songs? We need a karaoke microphone, an audio cable, and your cell phone with a karaoke application. Then turn the mic into line-in mode, and some models call it AUS mode.
The radio mode, line-in.
Connect it to an audio cable with the micro plug. And connect audio cable to your phone with this 3.5mm plug. Then open karaoke app, choose a song you love. Then we can start.
难道都是我的错？我该生气，该难过。一杯杯当作证据的红酒，换来的咒骂喋喋不休。你骂的还不够吗？我要飞走，我要自由，我要用最温柔的负重，让你一无所有，让你在说我的时候很有理，却会心疼。我要飞走，我要自由，我要用最温柔的星球，让你一无所有，让你在说谎的时候想到我，会很心痛。
Just now I record with an audio cable, but how's the effect? We don't know. So next, I'm gonna do several groups to compare the effects. One group is to record with my original voice without this microphone, and the other is to record with a white headphone. And another one is to record by singing into karaoke microphone, but without audio cable. And finally, we will compare them and let's see what's the difference between them. Alright, this is the recording from my original voice without microphone.
难道都是我的错？我该生气还难过。一杯杯当作证据的红酒，换来的咒骂喋喋不休。你骂的还不够吗？我要飞走，我要自由，我要用最温柔的负重，让一无所有，让你在说我的时候很有理。
This is the recording with a headphone.
难道都是我的错？我该生气还难过。时空很有理，却会心痛。我要飞走，我要自由，我要用最温柔的星球，让你一无所有，让你在说谎的。
Alright, this is the recording with a karaoke microphone, but without audio cable. So it must be in the mode of Bluetooth.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
难道都是我的错？我该生气该难过？一杯杯当作证据的红酒，换来的筹码喋喋不休。你妈的
Okay, finish recording, and now let's listen to these 4 audios.
「难道都是我的错？我该生气该难过？一杯杯当作证据的红酒，换来的筹码喋喋不休。你妈的，还不够吗？我要飞走，我要自由，我要用最温柔的复仇，让你一无所有，让你在说我的时候很有理，却会心痛。我要飞走，我要自由，我要用最温柔的星球，让你一无所有，让你在说谎的时候想到我，会很心痛。难道都是我的错？我该生气该难过？一杯杯当作证据的红酒，换来的筹码喋喋不休。你妈的，还不够吗？我要飞走，我要自由，我要用最温柔的复仇，让你一无所有，让你在说我的时候很有理，却会心痛。我要飞走，我要自由，我要用最温柔的星球，让你一无所有，让你在说谎的时候想到我。
Okay, to sum up, the effect of the recording with a microphone and audio cable is not so good. But the microphone does beauty the sound with a reverberation effect. However, the microphone did not do a good job of recording sound. I think this is a point we need to improve. If we improve the recording effect so that it can pick up the sound like a shotgun microphone, then I think our product will be more competitive in the market. So we will make a lot of money. Oh.